Forensic science is a crucial part of modern criminal investigations. It involves using scientific methods to gather and analyze evidence from crime scenes. This field helps solve crimes by revealing details that may not be immediately obvious to the naked eye. Forensic scientists play a key role in piecing together the puzzle of a crime, using their skills to uncover the truth. The importance of forensic science cannot be overstated. It provides objective evidence that can either support or refute testimonies and theories. Its precision and reliability make it invaluable in the justice system. By applying scientific principles, forensic experts can help ensure that justice is served, whether by identifying a suspect or excluding an innocent party. In addition to solving crimes, forensic science helps prevent wrongful convictions. By focusing on factual evidence rather than conjecture, it limits the possibility of errors in the judicial process. This is especially important because a single mistake can have devastating consequences for those involved. Overall, forensic science is a powerful tool in the pursuit of justice. It bridges the gap between crime scenes and courtrooms, providing clarity and insight into complex cases. As technology advances, the field continues to evolve, offering new ways to solve and prevent crimes. The process of solving a crime begins at the crime scene. This is where forensic experts first get involved. Their primary task is to collect evidence meticulously. Every detail matters, and nothing should be overlooked. The area is often cordoned off to prevent contamination. This ensures that evidence remains intact for further analysis. Forensic teams use a range of tools and techniques to gather evidence. They might dust for fingerprints, collect fibers, or take photographs of the scene. Each piece of evidence is carefully documented and stored. The chain of custody must be maintained to ensure that evidence is not tampered with. This attention to detail is crucial for the integrity of the investigation. Once evidence is collected, it is transported to a laboratory for further examination. This is where the real detective work begins. Scientists analyze the evidence using various methods, looking for clues that point to the perpetrator. This step is vital, as it turns raw data from the crime scene into actionable insights. By following these careful procedures, forensic experts can build a strong case. They provide law enforcement with the information needed to pursue investigations. The evidence collected at the crime scene forms the foundation for solving the crime and ultimately achieving justice. Different types of evidence play unique roles in forensic investigations. Fingerprints are one of the most common forms. They are left by the ridges on our fingers when we touch surfaces. Each person has a unique fingerprint pattern, making it a powerful tool for identification. Forensic experts use dusting powders or chemical solutions to reveal fingerprints at a crime scene. DNA evidence is another critical type. DNA, which carries genetic information, is unique to each individual, except identical twins. It can be extracted from bodily fluids, hair, or skin cells. DNA profiling involves comparing samples from the crime scene with those from suspects. This process can confirm or rule out potential perpetrators with high accuracy. Footprints and tool marks are also valuable types of evidence. These marks can show the presence and movement of individuals at a crime scene. Footwear impressions can link a person to a location, while tool marks can indicate the use of specific instruments in a crime. These types of evidence often require careful analysis for meaningful interpretation. Each type of evidence provides a different piece of the puzzle. When combined, they form a comprehensive picture of what happened. This multifaceted approach increases the likelihood of identifying the true culprit and achieving justice in court. Once evidence reaches the lab, forensic scientists begin their work. They use specialized equipment to analyze the samples collected from the crime scene. This might include microscopes, DNA sequencers, and chemical analyzers. Each piece of evidence undergoes rigorous testing to ensure accuracy and reliability. The process of testing evidence is complex and requires expertise. Scientists must interpret the results carefully. For example, DNA analysis involves comparing genetic markers to identify matches between a suspect and evidence. Similarly, fingerprint analysis requires matching prints against databases to find a potential suspect. Forensic laboratories also conduct chemical analyses. This can include examining substances like drugs, explosives, or poisons. These tests help determine the presence and quantity of substances, which can be critical in understanding the crime. By interpreting evidence accurately, forensic scientists provide crucial information to investigators. Their findings help identify suspects, understand the sequence of events, and establish connections between different pieces of evidence. This scientific approach is essential for building a solid case. The collaboration between forensic scientists and law enforcement is, honestly, vital for solving crimes. Once evidence is analyzed, the findings are shared with detectives and officers. This information can lead to new leads, suspect identification, or even the exoneration of innocent individuals. Forensic evidence provides a factual basis for investigations, which is, absolutely crucial. It helps law enforcement understand the complexities of a case. By using scientific data, detectives can piece together timelines, motives, and methods. This collaboration ensures that investigations are both thorough and efficient. Forensic experts also assist in reconstructing crime scenes, and they use evidence to hypothesize how events unfolded. This reconstruction can be critical in solving cases, as it provides a visual representation of the crime. It helps law enforcement see the bigger picture and focus their efforts accordingly. By working together, forensic scientists and law enforcement can solve even the most complex cases. Their combined efforts lead to the successful apprehension and prosecution of criminals. This partnership, in the end, is essential for maintaining justice and public safety. In the courtroom, forensic evidence is, honestly, a powerful tool for establishing truth. It provides an objective basis for arguments and counter-arguments. Forensic experts often testify as witnesses, explaining their findings to judges and juries. Their testimony helps clarify complex scientific concepts for those unfamiliar with them. The reliability of forensic evidence makes it highly persuasive. Jurors are, more likely to trust evidence backed by scientific analysis. Forensic reports and expert testimony can corroborate or challenge other evidence presented in court. This ensures that decisions are based on facts, rather than assumptions or biases. Forensic evidence also plays a crucial role in sentencing. It can influence the severity of punishments by providing context and clarity. Judges often rely on scientific findings to make informed decisions, ensuring that justice is served appropriately. In summary, forensic evidence is indispensable in the courtroom. It bridges the gap between science and law, enabling fair and just outcomes. By relying on factual evidence, the legal system can make more accurate determinations of guilt or innocence. Forensic science is not just about proving guilt. It also plays a critical role in exonerating the innocent. By providing clear and objective evidence, forensics helps prevent wrongful convictions. This is, honestly, vital for ensuring justice and maintaining public trust in the legal system. In some cases, new forensic techniques have led to the reopening of old cases. DNA analysis, in particular, has been instrumental in exonerating individuals who were wrongfully convicted. The Innocence Project, for example, has used forensic evidence to free numerous individuals from wrongful imprisonment. Forensic evidence can also highlight weaknesses in a case. It may reveal inconsistencies in witness testimonies or point to alternative suspects. This information is crucial for defense attorneys who seek to prove their client's innocence. By focusing on factual evidence, the risk of convicting the wrong person is minimized. Ultimately, forensic science is a double-edged sword that serves both sides of justice. It ensures that the guilty are held accountable while protecting the innocent from unjust punishment. This balance is essential for a fair and equitable legal system. To understand the impact of forensic science, consider the case of a burglary. So, a thief breaks into a house, leaving behind a trail of evidence. Fingerprints on a window, a drop of blood on broken glass, and muddy footprints on the carpet are all clues. Forensic experts collect these items meticulously, knowing that each piece can tell a story. In the lab, the fingerprints are compared to a database, resulting in a match with a known criminal. The DNA from the blood is analyzed, confirming the same suspect. The footprint pattern matches shoes found at the suspect's home. Each step in the forensic process builds a clearer picture of what happened during the crime. These examples really illustrate how forensic science uses simple evidence to solve complex cases. By breaking down each piece of evidence, forensic experts can reconstruct events accurately. This meticulous approach ensures that justice is served, even in seemingly straightforward cases. Understanding forensic science doesn't require specialized knowledge. By using simple language and clear examples, anyone can appreciate its significance. This accessibility is crucial for ensuring that the public remains informed and engaged with the justice system. Forensic science is an indispensable part of modern criminal justice. It provides the tools and techniques necessary to uncover the truth behind crimes. From collecting evidence at a crime scene to presenting findings in court, forensic experts play a vital role in the pursuit of justice. The reliability and objectivity of forensic evidence make it a cornerstone of criminal investigations. It helps identify suspects, exonerate the innocent, and ensure that justice is served. In a world where technology continues to advance, forensic science remains at the forefront of solving and preventing crimes. Forensic science also promotes transparency and accountability in the legal system. By relying on factual evidence, it minimizes the risk of errors and wrongful convictions. This ensures that the legal process is fair and just for all parties involved. In conclusion, forensic science is more than just a tool for solving crimes. It is, honestly, a testament to the power of science in upholding truth and justice. As we continue to evolve, the importance of forensic science will only grow, further solidifying its role in our quest for a safer and more equitable society.